The other thing is, in order to fire the gun, we do have to cock it. It does include an anti-bear trap safety, which you'll hear the clicking as you cock. What that does is if people use bad form and accidentally pull the trigger in a partially cocked position, the lever won't slam back and pinch your fingers. Those notches catch it so that if we do use bad form, of course, we should never have our finger on the trigger when we're not prepared to fire. But if people, inexperienced shooters, or people mess up and pull that trigger somehow during the cocking stroke, the anti-bear trap keeps it from coming back and squishing their fingers or pinching them.